If you thought that this was my real hair, I'm not even mad at you because honestly, I had to do a double take myself. It really doesn't get any realer than this wig. Like, I am blown away as I'm looking at this video, as I am looking at this wig in person. It looks so super realistic. It's crazy. This has to be one of the best wigs of 2026. And of course, it's from Myfirstwig, and they are known for having the best wigs on the market. So I'm not even surprised. Today, we are unboxing and installing the new AirFluff wig from Myfirstwig. And I'll be showing you exactly how I got this wig straight out of the box to soft, natural, everyday glam. Let's get to it. So opening the box, the first thing that I noticed was how lightweight this hair feels. It has that airy density, but it doesn't scream wig. The texture is kinky straight. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig, and this wig is 12 inches in length. The hair texture is so soft and so natural looking. This looks exactly like I got a blowout. And similarly as my hair would look if I blow dried it myself, the roots do tend to be a little kinky or wavy if the hair isn't fully dried. So this is a direct depiction of how natural hair looks when blown out. The cap construction features 3 combs and an adjustable strap. The cap construction does also feature additional lace in the back nape area of the wig in case you wanted to adhere it down. This lace is so thin and flawless that it melts straight into your complexion, so you can wear this wig with or without glue. The knots have been pre-bleached, the hairline has been pre-plucked, and the lace has been pre-cut. This wig is called AirFluff, and it does feature a higher density, but this wig is not heavy, it doesn't weigh you down, and it has so much flow and so much movement. I do love the fact that it comes already pre-cut with layers, and that also helps with the flow and movement of this hair. This is a 13x6 cap construction, so you do get a full 6 inches of parting space from your forehead on back and very deep side parting on your left and right side of your head as well. There is also a tiny bit of lace in the back, as I was showing you at the beginning, but this is how it will look on your head. Okay, so now it's time for styling. I'm grabbing a small amount of BioSilk's Silk Therapy. I'm going to apply that to the hair, and then I'm grabbing a hair wax stick. I'm going to carefully apply that to the hairline and then use my pressing comb to smooth that product through. Next, I am grabbing my flat iron, and instead of using it at a higher heat of 410 degrees, I'll only be using it at 365 degrees because I don't want it to be too straight or too flat. So I want to add some curls and some movement and body to the hair, but I don't want it to weigh it down. And when I get to the front of the head, I'm going to change the direction that I'm curling it. So instead of curling it under, I'll be curling it away from my face. And this is going to give it that beautiful feathered wrap look. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag AirFluff in the comment section. All right, so now I'm just going to grab some alcohol and clean off my forehead because it's time to install. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying 2 layers of that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig and holding it on its side so that I have a clear view of the underside of lace. I'm grabbing Wonder Lace Bond. I'm going to spray a very thin layer of that to the edge of the lace, then blow dry for a few minutes until that lace becomes tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement. Then put on my headscarf for about 10 minutes for everything to set. Removing my headscarf, I do like how this wig looks. It looks flawless, but I do want to add a little bit of personality by adding some baby hairs. So I'm just going to section off where I want my baby hairs to be, and I'll just be flipping those under or over depending on personal preference. And instead of using like a heavy gel, because this wig is the new AirFluff quality, I want to make sure that my baby hairs match that and are not weighed down with heavy gels. I did end up doing about 4 or 5 hairstyles. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig from Myfirstwig in the description box, so don't forget to check down below for more information, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!